Hi, this is Jeff with another frequently asked question. And that question is, what if I just wear readers? Then what do I do? Do I just get these with clear lenses in the frames? And the answer is no. If you wear readers, we have you install that same reading correction into the frame. So this set, for example, has a +2 reader in the bottom here and a clear lens in the upper part. And so what happens is the magnifiers then drop down in front of your reader. And so it's enhancing that reader. It's enhancing what you already have. Think of it this way. When you're wearing your glasses, okay, when you're working, when you flip the magnifiers up, you still want to be able to see through that reader and see your near work as clearly as you would normally when you're wearing, your daily readers. So the magnifiers are enhancing your reader. When they work together, they're giving you much better vision, and they're also getting you in the right working distance so that you're comfortable while you're working with a much better posture. That's how it works. Take care. Bye-bye.